If you want to have fun, you came to the right place. Hello, and welcome back to TK's Bar. I'm your host, Tessa, and today we're making an intro video. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, my name's Tessa and I run TK's Bar. I'm a bartender in Canada and I'm here to help you impress your friends, throw some sick parties, and have a good time, because isn't that what drinking's all about? So we're gonna make some cool cocktails on this channel and I'm gonna teach you everything you need to know to be the coolest bartender for your friends. Make sure you're drinking safe and you're being safe, because no one wants to be the one throwing up at a party. If you guys want to request a drink, just leave it in the comments below. I'm always checking my comments, so if you guys see or hear of a drink that you want me to make, I'd love to make it for you. So subscribe down below if you're into it, and we'll make some drinks together.